Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are some of the products from Clarins. So let's go ahead and unbox this. As you can see, the box is kind of damaged during the transportation. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. Hopefully the invoice is not in here. So, oh, there's an invoice. So here are the items numbers, and you have all the product description in here. Wow, $144 and then 65 cents total. Wow, this is nice. Clarins men. I didn't know they have it for men. That was only just for women. So this one's the men's pouch. And this is made from recycled fiber. Cool. You use those recycle bottles to turn this into something new again, which is good. It's your silica gel. And you got the branding right here. And this is made in China. And this one's the rubber badge, or TPU or silicone. There's a strap right here for you to do the carry on. And this one is the woman's. Just silica gel again. So again, this is from recycled fiber again. And this one has a gold zipper. And then these are the product from Clarins Paris. Not sure if all of them are the same. Looks like all three of these are the same. Just open one of these for you guys to check it out. Alright, so I did this unbox a long time ago. So and this one is the lip comfort oil. pretty small. And then there's another one right here. It's a different flavor. This one is the Feel Mint, and this one is a hazelnut. Let's see what else in here. Multi-active Jor SPF 20. And then you got two of this. And it is sealed. This one is the toner expression. So this one is not sealed, so gotta be careful. And this one is the mask. Eye lift. Some kind of spray. The Supra Serum. We use a different bottle or the tube. And then the rest of this three is SOS Comfort, Durox, Massant, mask again. Oh, so this one is not seal tie, so. Alright, so this one is the last one. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.